Okay, this place is packed. So if you come on a Saturday when it is peak colors, when you first come in, the very first parking lot, tons of people trying to park right there. But if you go to the parking lot by the main lodge, there are a lot of parking spaces. And so you will not have to sit and wait in line. You can park right there and then you can go into the main lot like we are. So we are meeting my brother and my sister-in-law for lunch at Everett's. They are here. It's his birthday. So we're going to be having lunch, and then we are hoping the clouds will break up a little bit. Looks like it probably could get cloudier, and then we're going to go to the Skybridge. So excited. This is an absolutely gorgeous resort. Beautiful golfing, beautiful skiing. I feel like I'm at Disney World at Wilderness Lodge with this. Here we are at Everett's. Oh my gosh, look how amazing that looks. We got our awesome fries and we are going to go stand in line for the Skybridge. But really I'm most excited about eating these fries at the Skybridge. Okay, so this line on a Saturday is super long. I would highly recommend not going on a weekend during peak color time because this is unbelievably long. We've been standing in line for like a half hour. There's massive confusion about which line to go to. And so basically we're in line to get on a shuttle to then go to the Skybridge. So, but it is going to be worth it. It's going to be well worth it. It's going to be beautiful. The colors here are beautiful. It's just a little bit of a wait. So thank God I got those French fries to tide us over. Look at the trees. We're going by these trees. We're on this open air. There's my aunt and my sister-in-law. We're taking the shuttle up to the chairlift that takes us to the Skybridge. This is just part 2 of this whole, or part 3. We went to the bar, then we went to the line, and then we went to a different line, and now we're on this thing, and then we're gonna get on the chairlifts, and then we're gonna finally see these trees.
Luckily, this is a very short drive. We probably could have walked.
There's the chairlifts. But before we get on them, we gotta go on this line. It's another line. Yay, for the weekend. We get on right there, thank goodness. Okay, this is pro tip. Find out where the chairlift is. It takes you up and park by it. Do not wait for the shuttle. You can skip all that first line. So wish we had known this because look at these cars right here. We could have just parked right here, skipped that whole first line, skipped the shuttle, come over here, and been right here at the chairlift. Never again. Sort of heaven. Learn something new every day, right? It's coming. It's coming.
Wait till you guys get to the blue mat before you pull the bar down, please.
Okay.
When you get to the top, it's automatic. It will lift up by itself. A couple more steps forward.
There's
right
the
on left
family. These are nice chairlifts, man. These are smooth. Look at that line. Oh my gosh. Come during the week. Okay. We're on the chairlift. My least favorite thing is being on chairlifts. One of them.
Look how beautiful the chairlift ride is.
Wow.
Stunning.
That is the view behind us. Just gorgeous.
If you like beautiful fall trees and leaves like me, give this video a thumbs up, please. It really helps out the channel, and this is just gorgeous. So give it a thumbs up if you like it.
All right, we are up here. Look at that chairlift. Holy cow, that 6-person chairlift was the nicest chairlift I've ever been on. Really nice seats. And they've got a ton of stuff. The selling of merchandise, alcohol, and other things continues. You can do a ton of stuff up here. But we're not doing any of that. We're going straight to the Skybridge, which is right there. Look at that, through there. All right, so we can't go on the Skybridge from here, from this side. They're only doing one-way traffic, so we have to walk around on this trail. It's a paved trail, and there are golf carts that are taking people around. We have to go around here, which is super scenic, and then we get on the other side of the Skybridge, and we walk all the way back here. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I'll try to show you some of what we can see on the trail as we make our way over there. So it's going to be super scenic. Look at that. Going to be on that soon. All right, so one option is you can walk up here and walk back. You don't have to pay for a chairlift ticket. It is a scenic walking trail. It is only 1 mile. And so you can skip all those lines and go that way to and from the Skybridge.
Here's the start to our walk on the Skybridge. It's finally here. If you like trees and views of Michigan, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It lets me know the content that you like, and it really helps the algorithm so that more people will be able to see my content. I would really appreciate you helping me grow, and please enjoy the rest of these amazing views.
Wow, how beautiful is that? Look how beautiful the colors are. This Skybridge is so cool. I don't like this railing. It kind of cuts through it, but man, it is so gorgeous out here. You definitely have to put this on your bucket list. And that's the side where you walk around the trail. That's where we took those pictures. And then this is the other side. So gorgeous.
After crossing the bridge, we went to Charlevoix for the day and then came back in the evening.
All right, we are back at the Skybridge. It is nighttime. We're gonna go down the Skybridge. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So even though it's night and you're not gonna see the trees like you saw when we were going down earlier, it is still gonna be magnificent going across the bridge. So when you buy a day pass, you can come back as many times as you want and go across the bridge. Wow, look at this. Look how cool this is. All these cool picnic tables. They stay open till 9. It's just incredible. Getting hot cider at the Skybridge. Drinking truck. I don't know what you call this. It's a food truck, but it's not. It's a drinking truck. We've got our hot cider. And now we are ready to go walk back on this and take the 2-person chairlift back down to Boyne Ski Resort and then go back home. It's been a wonderful day. We've had an awesome day. Now we are gonna get back on the Skybridge. Cheers. This is really cool doing this at night. I think I like it better with all the lights and the music and like hardly anybody here. It's like so cool. I mean, look at that. No one's behind me. And then look, only my family is crossing the bridge with me. We're the only ones crossing the bridge right now. This is just incredible. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. And there's my hot cider. Yay, what a great day. What an awesome day. Super vibing on this bridge tonight. So cool. It's amazing. You've got to do this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So awesome. 100%. Awesome. All right. We're on the first chairlift in the world, quote unquote.
Is it really?
We don't know what that means, but that's what the sign said.
During the day, we walked down, so going down this at night was pretty spectacular and quite a different ride from going up. I'm Deborah, and this has been Debs Travel Vibe at the Michigan Skybridge. What an adventure! Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.